Question: two generator units G1 and G2 are connected by 15 kV line with a bus at the midpoint as shown below. Diagram is like this. G1 is 250 MVA, 15 kV, positive sequence reactance is equals to 25% on its own basis. G2 equals to 100 MVA, 15 kV, positive sequence reactance X equals to 10% on its own basis. L1 and L2 are 100 kilometers. Positive sequence reactance X equals to 0.225 ohm per kilometer. First question. For the above system, the positive sequence diagram with the per unit values on the 100 MVA common base is, options are A and B are here, and the difference between A and B is this generator 1 impedance values. C and D, for this also difference is generator 1 impedance, and the difference between AB and CD is these line impedances. Second question. In the above system, the three-phase fault MVA at the bus 3 is, options are A 82.55 MVA, B 85.11 MVA, C 170.91 MVA, D 181.82 MVA. Solution. Given network is like this. Positive sequence reactance of generator 1 is 25% and line 1, line 2 positive sequence reactances per kilometer is 0.225 ohm per kilometer, and generator 2 is 10%. Generator 1 positive sequence reactance per unit for new base, that is 100 MVA, is positive sequence reactance for new base equals to positive sequence reactance in per unit for old base into MVA new by MVA old into kV old by kV new whole square. Therefore, X per unit new equals to 0.25 into 100 by 250 into 15 by 15 whole square. This is equals to 2.5 by 25 is equal to 0.1. For transmission line L1 and L2, positive sequence reactance X equals to 0.225 ohm per kilometer. For 10 kilometers, X equals to 2.25 ohm. X per unit equals to X into MVA base by kV square. Therefore, X per unit equals to 2.25 into 100 by 15 square is equals to 1.0. For generator 2, X per unit new equals to X per unit old into MVA new by MVA old into kV old by kV new whole square. Therefore, X per unit new equals to 0.10 into 100 by 100 into 15 by 15 whole square. This is equals to 0.10. So, the positive sequence reactance diagram is This reactance value is J 0.10 per unit, and this is J 1.0. This is also J 1.0. This is J 0.10. This is for generator 1. This is for generator 2, L1, L2. So, first question answer is option A. In the same circuit, a three-phase fault is occurred. In the second question, a three-phase fault is occurred at bus 2. Fault MVA equals to base MVA divided by Thevenin's equivalent reactance at the fault point. So, X Thevenin's is equals to reactance seen from this point. X Thevenin's is series combination of these two in parallel with series combination of these two, because in Thevenin's voltage sources are short. So, Thevenin's equivalence reactance equals to 1.1 in parallel with 1.1, that equals to 1.1 by 2 is equals to 0.55. Therefore, fault MVA is equals to base MVA 100 by Thevenin's equivalence reactance 0.55. This is equals to 181.82 MVA. So second question answer is option D, 181.82 MVA.